This is a how-to episode on a maintenance buyout in a divorce. First, let's define what buyout means. Buyout simply means a lump sum or one-time payment from one spouse to the other. And that would be in exchange or in lieu of future payments. An example is probably the easiest way to explain this concept. In our hypothetical divorce client scenario, Eric and Melanie Wolf, let's say that Eric is going to owe Melanie $10,000 per month over 2 years, 24 months. Well, a buyout would be Eric paying Melanie, in essence, $240,000. And that would be in exchange for a release or no more future payments. There's a benefit to Melanie in that she gets certainty, she gets that money up front. And the same thing for Eric. Instead of cutting a monthly check or doing a monthly transfer, then he is just done. Now, there's also some risk in that what if Eric is prepaying over 2 years for something that he might not actually have to pay? Let's say he loses his job in a year, and he could potentially modify that down. He's already paid that and it's done. So those are just some things to keep in mind. Another feature is, how does this actually work? Well, Eric would pay Melanie $240,000, and that would be off the top or in addition to whatever property division the parties agreed to. So if we have our hypothetical divorce clients, Eric and Melanie Wolf, and they're selling their house and they agree to equally divide the proceeds from the house, well, Melanie would get $240,000 off of the top or out of Eric's share. And there's different features and ways that this would work. And normally we would characterize this as an additional property payment, and that would mean that it would be tax free. So that's in essence how property payments and maintenance buyouts work when you work in conjunction with each other.